Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 3 multiplayer. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the multiplayer option to begin your online journey. You will find choices to either join an existing game or create a new one. This initial step is crucial for connecting with other commanders and diving into the action. Once in the multiplayer lobby, you will choose your faction. There are three distinct options: the technologically advanced Allies, the brute force Soviets, and the innovative Empire of the Rising Sun. Each offers a completely different playstyle. Next, select a map. Maps vary in size and resource distribution, so pick one that complements your strategy and the number of players involved in the upcoming battle. Red Alert 3 offers several exciting game modes. The most common is Skirmish, where you can battle up to 5 other players or AI opponents. For a collaborative experience, try the 2-player cooperative campaign, working together to complete missions. Before starting, customize game settings such as starting money, unit caps, and game speed to tailor the experience exactly to your liking and challenge level. To excel in multiplayer, focus on a strong early game. Quickly establish your economy by building refineries and expanding your base. Communication is key in team games. Coordinate your attacks and defenses with your allies. Don't be afraid to experiment with various unit compositions and commander abilities. Understanding your faction's strengths and weaknesses and adapting to your opponent's strategy will lead you to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.